Good afternoon. In front of me there is a camellia, and the full name for it is Camellia japonica Kumagai Nagoya。这是一盆茶花哦，原生种的茶花，中文字的话叫月光。它有很大的，它是原生种的，它有很大的这个中心的部分，事实上是雄性花蕊花瓣化了这么一大堆，非常的漂亮，所以使它这个颜色既醒目又有分别又有层次，非常的漂亮。有它4-5年了，每年开花的，这是今年的第1朵。I have had them for 4 to 5 years. It's blooming every year. The beautiful flower, the big center, actually is the stamens become kind of petalized. Very beautiful. Bye.